In the last video, we learned all about the math operators, as well as equalities, inequalities, assignments, and white space. However, these operators will do different things depending on the types of inputs they are given. Remember how we said that division is a little bit more complicated? Let's see why. Whoa, why did it do this? This is because of data types and data type precedences. Numbers come in different types. Floats are numbers with a fractional part, like pi, or 6.6, or 4.2. Long numbers are very large integers, like 10 to the 100th power. Ints are integers, like 1, 5, or 42. And booleans are a little bit different. We used booleans to show equality in the last video. Booleans return true or false and are the result of comparisons such as equals, less than, or not equal to. Something else to note about Boolean operators is that they have a numerical value as well. True equals 1 and false equals 0. Therefore, you can add Booleans, like true or false, to numbers, and they will act as those values. Pretty interesting, right? You give a mathematical operator two integers, it thinks that you want an integer back, so it will return an int, as we saw. However, if you give it two floats, it thinks you want a float back, and so it gives you back a float. But what if you give an operator a float and an int, or an int and a long? There is a hierarchy to determine what type of answer you'll get when you use a mathematical operator on two different types of numbers. With 1.0 divided by 5, we have an int and a float. Float is more dominant than an int, so a float will be returned. When we have a long, subtracting a long, your result will be a long because Python assumes that you want a long back. If both are ints, as we said above, an int will be returned. 41 plus true equals 42. An int is more dominant than a Boolean, so the Boolean will act as an int, as 1, like we said before. In conclusion, float, int, Boolean, and long are numerical data types that you will be working with in the future. Stay tuned to learn more about other data types, like lists and strings.